Hey, my name is James Mason with the Facebook group Transparent Traders. In this video, I have 3 stocks to watch today for May 14th, 2019. And before we go any further, all I ask is for you to hit that subscribe button to continue to receive content like this in the future. And also hit the notification, the little bell, because for some reason YouTube will delay showing you these videos. And by that time, this is irrelevant. So let's get into it. So this first ticker, this is ticker AAPL. So obviously Apple. In the pre-market here, you can see this gap up. It's going to gap up roughly $1 right here at the opening. And don't let this fool you. This is not going to be a reversal in the market. This is just the market cooling off from it just getting beat down over the previous days. But as you can see right here at this moment, Apple is starting wanting to tilt and lose that value. Now, I wouldn't jump into it immediately. I would let it come out, see what it does in the first, I don't know, give it at least 5 minutes. So let at least one 5-minute candlestick kind of set up. I would say prefer to give it 2, just so you don't get caught up in some form of bull or bear trap at the very opening. But I would kind of expect the market to start off and honestly kind of give a little spike and then drop. So with Apple here, we'll kind of see it come out the gate. It'll probably do something crazy, shoot up and down, and then at some point Apple's going to die off again. So this is again Apple, AAPL. For my next ticker, ticker SQ. Kind of the same thing, got a gap up, and it already does not want to hold that gap right here. So just watch for it right here at the opening, see what craziness it does at the opening, and when this thing gets to the point to where it just gives up, Square is going to die off as well. So for my third and final one, DIS, Disney. So here we are, again, gap up. Well, then we got this massive green candlestick right here. And come down here, check out the news for, Disney and what they got going on. But look at it first on the daily chart. Here we are with Disney. Had this gap up back here, and then this run up, and then here it is coming back down. Overall, Disney is bearish. It has this gap to fill all the way to 117, and this is looking like the beginning stages for it right there. So back to the 5. Here we are again, that massive green candlestick. At this moment, that's not looking good for it. So Disney's gonna probably come out, and I would say kind of have a little upward trend, and then Disney is gonna die off. So Disney, compared to the other two, will probably have more of a little bullish push out the gates before it dies off. So that's what I would be looking for right here, with these 3 tickers. And the key today is patience. Be patient, wait for it. Do not jump into the trades within the first few minutes. So give it time to show its direction. So I appreciate you guys taking your time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.